Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really cute customized booties. And not that booty, you nasty. So the things you'll be needing are a pair of boots, then the pieces of objects that you want to place on your shoes. So this can either be rhinestones, or whatever else you want. I couldn't think of anything else. Today I'm actually using these two metal cactus pieces that I actually got from a thrift store. You'll also need a source of permanent glue. So today I'm using E6000. So as I'm showing you here, I'm trying to figure out the placement really of where I wanted it, just because of the cactus having a certain shape. It was a little rounded, so I couldn't really just put it on any surface. I had to make sure that the surface that I put it on had a rounded edge to it. So I'm showing you from the side, from the front, and also from the back. I wanted to choose the back. I thought it would have been really cute, but the only thing is that if you see, it would have come off onto the rubber side, the rubber sole, just because of the curvature on it, and I didn't want it on the rubber sole. So I just stuck with the side. Something I didn't realize before I started gluing anything is that you should always fill up your shoes with socks or something, fabric, whatever, just to fill up the shoe so that when you're pressing whatever object into the shoe to adhere it there, it has a form to hit instead of it just flopping. Okay, so of course I'm opening the E6000 and I'm only placing it in the middle of the cactus, the back of the cactus, just because I want to make sure that the glue doesn't splurge out on the sides. So now I'm placing the cactus where I want it exactly, and then again, as you see my finger, I'm taking off any excess glue that comes out from the side. Again, don't put excessive glue because you don't want it to come from the side. So look how cute it is. And then there's no security to hold it there. So what you're gonna do is, of course, place it back there. Don't get scared. Okay, so with mine is metal, mine is heavy. So what I'm having to do is I'm gonna have to tilt it to the side. And then of course I have an idea. I'm gonna grab some, you can grab rubber bands, string, whatever you want. I'm getting some thin elastic ponytail rubber bands. And then I'm going to put it through the heel of the shoe to hold it there in place. And I don't only put one, I put two to put it on different angles to hold it there tightly. Okay, so my shoes are stuffed because I needed the fabric of the boots to adhere to the cactus. So I'm doing the exact same thing. I put the glue straight in the middle, and then I'm placing my cactus exactly right where I want it. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the elastic rubber bands. And the best bet of what I did is I left it there for 3 to 4 hours to let it completely dry. I wanted to make sure, and honestly I'd probably even say a whole day, just to make sure that nothing happens. And here's the reveal. If you enjoyed this DIY, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't. I have more content coming your way. Till next time, bye.